Hi everyone, I'm Scott Henson. I'm thrilled to share something I've been working on for a couple of years now. Before we dive in, let me address the elephant in the room. I know I'm woefully behind on the multiple entry horn speaker kits. Don't worry, they're still coming. But today I want to talk about something else I'm incredibly excited about. Introducing a family of impedance measuring tools designed for loudspeaker development. This new lineup includes 4 tools: the EasyZ 2.0, HP, CV100, and CV1K. The EasyZ 2.0 and EasyZ HP are designed to work seamlessly with standard software like REW or SoundEasy without the need for post-processing. These tools utilize pseudo-constant voltage measurements, more on that in a bit. They also work with consumer sound cards. Sound card compatibility is discussed in the manual in more detail. The EasyZ 2.0 is perfect for measuring teal small parameters, inductors, and capacitors. You can make impedance measurements down to about 0.1 volt RMS, depending on the noise behavior and sensitivity of your sound interface. High-level input is through speak-on connections. I used to use banana plugs on the original version, but they were cause for most of the inaccuracies and wiring difficulties for the users of the original unit. The speak-ons on all EasyZ devices are compatible with Nutric and Amphenol brand speak-on style connectors. Imitation ones, available through the mail-order retailers, usually have a barrel that is too large to clear the Nutric brand mounting screw and can't be used. The EasyZ HP takes things a bit further, allowing you to analyze the behavior of ports and drivers at higher drive levels. It's important to note that it's not suitable for measuring inductors or capacitors, as those would create a low impedance short for the amplifier. With the EasyZ HP, you can sweep impedance at up to approximately 100 watts for 8 ohm speakers with most sound cards, where the 2.0 is limited to about 10 watts. The CV100 and CV1K employ true constant voltage measurements, making them excellent replacements for the Linear X VI box. Normally, in systems, I don't worry about damping factor, but while measuring impedance, the measurement device can change the output or excursion caused by the driver amplifier impedance measurement system interaction, and that may be important for your measurement. The 2.0 and HP are too high series resistance to be considered true constant voltage, but the CV100 and CV1K use a much lower value current sense resistor and can be considered true constant voltage. I'll be releasing some Python programs so that both models can double as data loggers, enabling you to track power compression and impedance rise over time and input stimulus. The CV100 also has the ability to measure motor current distortion. The CV1K allows you to measure impedance of 8 ohm speakers at up to 1 kilowatt and 4 ohm speakers at up to 2 kilowatts. The limits on this unit are 100 volts RMS and 30 amps RMS for most sound interfaces. The introductory price is $149 for all models, plus shipping and handling in the United States. International orders will be through eBay at the same price, plus the shipping and customs fees charged by eBay. This family of tools brings precision, flexibility, and ease of use to loudspeaker development, and I can't wait to see how they'll help you in your projects.